In today's tutorial video, we're gonna dive into the process of how to reset PC. If you have important files on your PC, you can also choose to keep those files and reset your PC. Click on the Start menu and head over to Settings. Click on Update and Security. Now on the left, you'll see Recovery option. Click on Recovery and then head over to Get Started, which is resetting the PC. Now this is a section where you can choose to either keep the files or to remove everything. The first option says that removes apps and settings, but it keeps the files. The second option is it removes all the files, apps, and along with the settings. Choose the option that you prefer. Again, here it will give you two options to reinstall Windows. You can download and reinstall Windows from the cloud, or you can do it from the device itself, which is the local download. If you find difficulty in choosing one option, you can click on Help Me Choose. From there, you will find help in choosing which one to pick. Now here it will show you the current settings of the reset process. Click on Change Settings and toggle this option on. Then click Confirm. If you're trying to reset your laptops, you need to plug in your charger. Laptops won't reset on the battery power, so make sure that you plug in the charger, and then in the next step, click on Next. Finally, it will show you the last settings of the reset process. It also shows the apps that will be removed during the reset process. Now you'll finally need to click on Reset and your PCs will start to reset. It will take some time to reset the PC, so make sure you give it enough time. That was the process of how you can reset PC.